Om Sri Saraswatya Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn exercise 3 voice change. But before that, we have to know the 12 tense forms and then the rules of the voice change. Let's begin. These are the 12 verb tenses in English. In simple present, we say I study English. In continuous, I am studying English. In present perfect, we say I have studied English. And in present perfect continuous, we say I have been studying English. In simple past, we say I studied English. In past continuous, we say I was studying English. In present perfect, we say in past perfect, we say I had studied English. In past perfect continuous, we say I had been studying English. In simple future, we say I'll study English. In future continuous, I'll be studying English. In future perfect, I'll have studied English. In future perfect continuous, I will have been studying English. Active voice and passive voice. What subject does is called active voice. The focus is on action is called passive voice. For example, Ram killed Ravana is active voice. Ravana was killed by Ram was passive voice. Let's know some examples before doing our exercise number 3. In simple present, in active, we write I do my homework. And in passive, my homework is done. In present continuous, I am doing my homework. In passive, my homework is being done. In past simple, I did my homework, and in passive, my homework was done. In past continuous, we write I was doing my homework. In passive, my homework was being done. In present perfect, we write I have done my homework. In passive, my homework has been done. Like this we have to do. Exercise 3 voice change. 1a. Hindi is spoken all over India. This house was made by my grandfather. Some questions will be asked to him. That house has already been sold. My new shirt is being stitched. In how many days do you have your haircut? It is heard that he has got a good job. By whom was the kite flown? The lesson should be discussed thoroughly. The chair is made of wood. We drink water when we are thirsty. Water is drunk when we are thirsty. Vaishno Devi is visited by the people all over India. Fish are caught by a fisherman. Columbus discovered America. Number 2D. America was discovered by Columbus. Number 2E. The people will elect him president. He will be elected president. 2F. The court has found the prisoner guilty. The prisoner has been found guilty by the court. 2G. Everyone laughed at her. She was laughed at by everyone. They must do it at once. It must be done at once. Shut the door. Let the door be shut. Who taught you such tactics as these? By whom were you taught such tactics as these? Number 3. Good is expected. We expect good. 3B. He was crowned. Answer. People crowned him. These notes are to be taken daily. You are to take these notes daily. 3D. Most of the coal mines are found in western Odisha. We find most of the coal mines in western Odisha. He was refused admission. The authorities refused his admission. He was chosen leader. We choose him leader. Let the post be advertised. Advertise the post. Who was the glass broken by? Who broke this glass? He had evidently been shot. Unidentified gunmen evidently shot him. The enemy were expected to surrender. We expect the enemy to surrender. Write down exercise 3, voice change on your workbook and grammar copy, and try to remember